Hi, this is Wyatt, and today I'm going to demo the virtual racing feature that's coming up in Swelldone. This allows you to have virtual training or virtual racing for multiple ergs in the same venue. So in effect, you can take your iPad or your iPhone or your Android device and pair it with multiple machines and coordinate a group training or group racing event. So in the new UI at the bottom, there's virtual racing. We can tap that at the bottom to start pairing your ergs. One of the things that the app will do is remember the machines that were connected. So here, it's remembering that the lanes 2 to 9 have been previously connected. I can tap connect on lane number 1 and basically pick my machine. And if I tap on this test ergometer that I have, that's kind of built in the app for my own testing, we can continue and get going. So now lane number 1's populated. Other things you can do is you can actually customize and individualize the paddler. So you can set their name, you can set their affiliation of their country, you can go pick the paddler and their outfits and everything that they want to look at, whatever avatar you like. And you can also pick the different boats and the watercraft. So here we're just going to go back to a new boat that we just added, which is the K1 for sprints. Another thing you can do to really customize really quickly the entire event is here's a large form where you can enter in everybody's name, affiliation, pick their avatar, and their boat really quickly and set the entire lineup. So now we go back, and one last thing we can do is we can have different maps. So here we have a new kind of a flat water center where there's different race distances. We have 200, 250, 500, so on and so forth, and even long courses like a 10-kilometer time trial. So just for efficiency of the demo, let's just do a 200-meter sprint, and we're all set. So once we pick the course, we're going to hit Let's Race, and it's going to load the course. It's going to bring up the flat water center with the race lanes. There are 9 lanes right now, a maximum of 9 paddlers or rowers, just typical of how events are run. So here we are as a race director or a group trainer, when you hit start race, the countdown begins. 3, 2, 1, that signifies the paddlers to go. And as we hit go, the gates are lifted and the field is off. So notice at the top we have live rankings. Who's currently number 1 is lane 5. That shows their current race time, and then it shows the gap times of everybody thereafter. We can look at the cameras, and we have a tie angle camera that follows. We have a crane from the top. We have an overhead view. We can look at it from the start line, the finish line, or the midpoint here, from the finish line. And what we can also do is go lane by lane through the paddlers if we want to follow the action of a particular point of view. So we can flip through each one of those, but let's just go to the high camera and watch as the paddlers finish. 200 meters is rather fast, so they should be coming in. And as each paddler across the lines, their finish time will be locked into the top. And once everybody crosses, now we have the results board. And very quickly, once we get all the results, we can return to menu and we can run it again. As many heats as we need. Again, we can go into the lineup, change the names real fast, reset the line, hit Let's Race, and off you go again. And this is Swelldone with the new racing feature coming up.